If you want a taste of something different this Christmas, something beyond the usual fried rice or jollof rice, then you need to try this pesto vegetable rice with chicken. Welcome to day 4 of my 12 days of Christmas recipe series. This recipe is so quick and easy to make, so you should have your rice already cooked and ready to be used. Into your pot, add in a little oil, then add in your onions and saute for a bit. Next, you add your vegetables. Feel free to use any vegetable of choice. I'm also adding red beans to this, which is totally optional. Give it a good mix. Add in bouillon powder and pepper, stir and allow to cook slightly. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, sharing and turning on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'd be the first to know. Then you gradually add in your cooked rice along with the pesto and stir everything very well so the rice is fully coated with the pesto flavor. If you've watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Mix in the rest of the cooked rice with some more pesto until everything is well combined. Make sure to taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. After that, you add in your already cooked and diced chicken breast. Give it a good mix and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes on low heat. Finally, sprinkle some more spring onion, mix and allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. And just like that, our pesto Christmas vegetable rice with chicken is ready. This is a great option if you want something different for Christmas. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow for day 4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.